Alright, here we are at the Howard County Center for the Arts. It was formerly an elementary school in the 1950s, but even though it's an art center now, they did not take much effort to renovate this place. So, guess what? We have a lot of awesome old 1950s equipment in here I'd like to show you. Let's go in. First off, let's go down here. Alright, right here, this used to have a bell on it. So, unfortunately, it's been removed. I highly doubt this fire alarm system is in service anymore. There's nothing interesting, well, fire alarm wise in here. There's the emergency exit. Look at this. Yep, we have an old Simplex 4037 in here. Oh my gosh, that is rare. Another blank stand.
I didn't know if we needed the car seat for my car or not. Daddy's still coming to see the artwork. So he should be here the next few minutes. Right.
Another blank bell stand. Whatever you want to call it. And we have another Simplex 4037-1. Look at that. This fire alarm was replaced. Now, as you can see, the fire alarm system was replaced in the 90s when this was converted to an art center, so I highly doubt this these old horns still work, but still, it is so awesome how they still kept them in here. Might consider contacting the building so we can get some of this equipment. Okay, here's an illuminated one. Yep, as a diesel 2C says. Look at that light. I like that light.
Oh, and Claire, I'm going to grab your flip-flops.
Yeah, and the new system. It's got these Gentex mechanical horns, and here's a detector if you're interested. There are the offices. Come on, focus. Whoa, look at that. There's a radiator. Completely original to the building. Another 4037. Now let's go down here. And in here we have an early radiator.
I love the Mako.
It's two. I thought you were going to
And through here we have some more cool stuff. Well, as you can see, we've got a BG-10, other 4037 up there, and an old radiator. I'm not sure if you can see very well in here, but let's see if you can. It is a little too in there. But if you want to see a radiator closer up, I can go. here. Now we'll actually get some interesting old stuff. Haha, look at this. Now this is quite interesting. Look at this. They even have, so old, back in the 50s they had separate faucets for hot and cold too. This is so fascinating. Okay, well, it's got that boring Gentex alarm. But at least they didn't take out the old stuff, so that's good. Let's look around more. Hi.
Hi, Matthew.
Good.
Your sister did an amazing
Hi.
job.
Thanks. Alright, anyway, there's another bell thing. Oh, no, not yet. Old radiator.
No, I have a cat.
Take a look at this. We have a Simplex. We have an old Simplex bell, and those two. That's one that's actually not removed. And then there's a view of the old water fountain they used to have back then. This is a lot like urban exploring. Alright, we have another radiator. This time it's not covered, so we get to view it a little better. Wow. You can even see the switch there. Okay, now, alright, here we have a bell that's actually on the thing. It's Simplex. It's just as old as the 4037s. And to finish off the tour, another BG10 and a 4037. And of course, we'll end with the radiator. Well, hope you fire alarm enthusiasts enjoyed the tour, so I will say it now. That's it.